What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a rear wheel drift car in CPM. Let's go. Here I picked up a car that I had, BMW M3 E92. This is a budget build, so I'm gonna show you how to do it with no upgrades. As you can see, it's all stock. What you'll need is touring tires. You can copy this gear ratio if you want, just make it higher gear ratio, lower number. This is the suspension setup, and over here the center of gravity. Make sure it's all the way to the front. First we're gonna do some burnouts till we have 0% traction to all the tires, so it can slide and drift around. Now we're gonna do rear wheel drive burnouts to burn the rear tires all the way to 0%.
A few moments later. 2,000 years later. One eternity later.
Now that we are done with the rear tires, as you can see it's 0% traction. I'm gonna change it to front wheel drive and finish the front tires. Now here, since we had the center of gravity in the front of the car and we have no upgrades done to the engine, so it doesn't have enough power to spin the front tires because all the weight is in the front. So we're gonna go and put the center of gravity to the rear. And now back to the burnouts. Front wheel tires are taking way longer than expected.
One eternity later.
Now that we have done burning the front tires and the rear tires have no traction at all, so it's time to go return the center of gravity to the front. Let's try drifting. And now that we have showed you how to make a rear-wheel drive drift car in CPM, the next video we're gonna show you how to drift it. So stay tuned.